Alvarez lines it to right. Judge is there. Trying to throw behind the runner. A good throw gets him. Double play. What a play by Aaron Judge. Wow.
I think he's and Mookie Betts are neck and neck. But when Bregman gets off this lead, he's going to slip coming back. So he sees the ball off the bat. He heads towards second. Now watch him stop right there. And right there, that slip, that's all it took. A cannon. One of the best throwers of the baseball, Aaron Boone, will tell you that Aaron Boone value in right field may not get as much credit for where he plays because Yankee Stadium, of course, doesn't have that much room in right field, but he takes away a ton of hits.